In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove a header image and change the theme color in Google Forms. This process is straightforward and can give your forms a more personalized and engaging look, whether you're creating a survey, a quiz, or a simple feedback form. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Google Forms. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Forms. If you haven't started a new form yet, you can click on blank to get started or open an existing form that you'd like to customize. Once your form is open, you'll want to look for the Customize Theme option. This can typically be found in the top right corner of the screen. It's represented by a palette icon. Clicking on this will open a sidebar on the right, allowing you to begin customizing your form's look and feel. Now, let's talk about adding a header image. In the Theme Customization sidebar, you'll see an option to Choose Image. Clicking on this will open a dialog box with a variety of image options. You can upload your own image from your computer or pick from the gallery of images provided by Google. Selecting a header image is a great way to set the tone of your form and make it stand out. After selecting an image that you feel fits best with your form's purpose, the next step is to click on Insert. This action will place your chosen header image right at the top of your form, giving it a distinct and professional appearance. Moving on, we have theme colors. These control the overall color scheme of your form, including background and accent colors. Back in the Theme Customization sidebar, you can choose from a preset selection of color schemes, or you can customize your own to better match your brand or personal preference. Selecting a cohesive color theme can enhance readability and make your form more visually appealing. Finally, if you decide that you no longer want an image as your header, removing it is just as easy as adding it. Simply click on the X icon located right beside the image on the Upload button. This action will remove the header image and revert to a plain header, allowing you to either start fresh with a different image or stick with a minimalist look. And there you have it, a simple way to add or remove a header image and change the theme color in Google Forms. These customizations can remarkably transform the experience of people filling out your form, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. With these steps, you'll be able to easily manage the visual aspects of your forms and ensure they align with your desired presentation and style. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Google Forms and other Google Suite tools effectively.